Well, first of all, you need to really know who your market is. I mean, if you don't know your market and you're just throwing shit out there and hoping that it goes viral, then great. But you also have to understand these guys have been testing this for a while. So Josh and his team, they keep great analytic records and data on every post. And most the average member is not going to do that. I don't do that. I don't have time for that. You know what I mean? But I do know what my audience wants, and I know that when something goes viral or something, not necessarily viral, that's really not the wrong word. If I get some decent engagement, then they want to see more of that. So like was a couple days ago, actually it's probably longer than that, I saw a new feature in LinkedIn. I took to my desktop and I did a short, off the cuff video. I did a little baby brochery type post so people could see more, explaining what the video was about, and to not shoot me because it was on the fly and, no criticism, please, which actually got some laughs out of that. And now I've got like 24, 25 likes on it. That's decent. I don't know how many views, but I'm already people message me in my inbox, and I'm setting up strategy sessions just because of that, because I'm showcasing my authority. Right. With it. And then my vulnerability of being not perfect, in the video.